I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica and welcome to my beach walking tour of Playa del Conch in San Sebastian, Spain. Hit the like button if you're looking forward to check out this stunningly beautiful beach, and don't forget to leave me a comment if you'd like to see more of this kind of content. In front of us we can see the outstanding church that dominates the beachfront. During summer months, the beach is busy and alive, but this is a relaxed place to enjoy a tranquil atmosphere and go for a stroll. Moving ahead, we can find plenty of restaurants, cafes, and cocktail bars to enjoy some food or drinks. We continue our tour by heading to the remarkable renovated beach promenade. You can find benches and parasols available to sit under and enjoy the stunning views of La Conca Bay. The benches are strategically located, allowing you to admire the amazing ocean views whilst sipping an ice-cold beer. The beach itself is really an outstanding postcard perfect. It has a wide golden sand shore and sparkling crystal clear blue ocean that stretch is 4 miles, and it's filled with lots of families and young people. It's definitely a perfect place to spend the afternoon with friends or family. As we move further along the beach, we can observe the House of WDS, a hostel for students who are learning about the ocean environment. We can also enjoy the Natural Park of Santa Clara, which provides a wide variety of group activities. At the end of this amazing tour, I would like to thank you very much for joining me on my walking tour of Playa del Conch. If you've enjoyed the content of this video, don't forget to like and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay up to date with travel content like this.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.